cows today. All asleep. Now, get to go on a nicely laid path that goes on all the way up there. And we have a little friend over there. Well, see Mamtor now, where I've just come from, which is the Edale Skyline I'm going to be walking. There. Come over that hill. Ever so slight correction, that was Loose Hill. Mamtor's just over the back there. Now I'm going up there. Come from there, followed all of that ridge line, up there, can just go down this path, and now we'll go up there. I'm about 3 hours in, not hit a wall yet, so I'm happy. I'm about a third of it. Probably just about to see. So I've got rays and rain. Have been rained on, unless I'm mistaken. That is Win Hill, which is next destination. So at 5 o'clock this morning, before I set off, walked along that ridge. 20 to 9 now. Ten miles in, feel absolutely fine. Hoping that's halfway. Getting rained on a little bit. Feet don't hurt, but I left all the climbing till the end because I'm going to go up Win Hill. Loose Hill, Mamtor. Tell you what, I'm going to bring a spare pair of socks again. I feel like a new woman. So I'm full of sandwiches. Come from here, onto there, go in there, up here, home. This is like walking through Christmas trees. I've got shorts on. Ow. 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 So guess where Muggins has got to go? Yep. You guessed it. 19 miles in, this is the final boss. No water, no battery. Time to die.